In the fast-evolving world of wearable technology, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses have already set a new standard for blending classic style with cutting-edge functionality. As we step into 2025, the ecosystem around these innovative glasses is expanding with a lineup of accessories designed to supercharge your experience. From enhanced audio solutions to advanced health monitoring add-ons, these game-changing accessories not only amplify the capabilities of your Ray-Ban Meta, but also push the boundaries of what's possible in everyday augmented reality. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a fitness buff, or someone who just wants smarter eyewear, these 6 must-have items will transform how you interact with the world. Let's dive in and explore them. Number 6. Hyblox Infinite Charging Cable. Imagine never running out of battery life during your busiest days with the Hyblox Infinite Charging Cable, a revolutionary accessory tailored for Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses users in 2025. This isn't just any cable. It's an engineering marvel featuring a modular design that allows you to extend, repair, or customize its length on the fly without compromising on charging speed or durability. Crafted from premium, tangle-resistant materials with reinforced connectors, it supports fast charging up to 20 W, ensuring your glasses are powered up in under an hour. What sets it apart is the infinite adaptability. Swap out segments for longer reaches or integrate smart chips for real-time battery monitoring via a companion app. Users rave about its eco-friendly construction, using recyclable components that reduce electronic waste, aligning perfectly with sustainable tech trends. Perfect for travelers, commuters, or anyone who hates dealing with frayed cables, this accessory prevents downtime and keeps your Meta glasses ready for capturing moments, listening to music, or hands-free calls. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug into the USB-C port on your glasses and connect to any power source. With built-in safety features like overcharge protection and short-circuit prevention, it's reliable for everyday use. Available in multiple colors to match your style, it's more than a cable. It's a lifeline for your smart eyewear. Don't let a dead battery interrupt your day. Upgrade to infinite power today. Number 5. Smart VLT Lens. Inserts. 5-pack. Elevate your vision and versatility with the Smart VLT Lens. Inserts 5-pack. A smart choice for Ray-Ban Meta owners seeking optimal performance in varying light conditions throughout 2025. These innovative inserts feature variable light transmission, VLT technology, allowing seamless adjustment from 10% to 85% tint levels electronically via a simple app control or voice command through your Meta glasses. Each pack includes 5 interchangeable inserts, each with embedded sensors that detect ambient light and auto-adjust for glare reduction, UV protection up to 100%, and blue light filtering to combat eye strain during long screen sessions. Made from high-quality, shatter-resistant polycarbonate, they snap effortlessly into your Ray-Ban frames without tools, maintaining the original aesthetic while adding smart features like anti-fog coatings and hydrophobic surfaces for clear views in any weather. Ideal for outdoor adventurers, office workers, or night owls, this pack ensures you're always prepared. Switch to darker tints for sunny hikes or lighter ones for indoor reading. The smart integration syncs with your Meta AI for personalized settings based on your location or activity, enhancing the overall smart glasses experience. Battery-efficient design means they last up to 48 hours on a single charge, recharging via the glasses port. Environmentally conscious, the inserts are recyclable and free from harmful chemicals, complying with global safety standards. Transform your Ray-Ban Meta into a dynamic vision powerhouse with this essential 5-pack. Number 4. LifeArt Vision Mirrored Replacement Lenses. Step up your style and protection game with the LifeArt Vision Mirrored Replacement Lenses, a premium accessory that redefines customization for Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses in 2025. These lenses boast a stunning mirrored finish in various metallic hues like silver, gold, and blue, reflecting sunlight while providing superior clarity and 100% UVA/UVB blocking. Engineered with advanced optical technology, they reduce eye fatigue by minimizing reflections and enhancing contrast, perfect for driving, sports, or urban exploration. Unlike standard lenses, these replacements are polarized to eliminate glare from water or roads, and they're treated with scratch-resistant and oleophobic coatings to stay pristine longer. Easy to install, they pop into your existing frames in seconds, preserving the smart functionality of your Meta glasses without interference. Available as a set for left and right eyes, they come with a microfiber cleaning pouch and are compatible with prescription adaptations if needed. Users love the fashionable edge they add, turning everyday wear into a statement piece while ensuring eye health. Built to withstand impacts, they're ideal for active lifestyles, and their lightweight design, under 5 grams per lens, won't add noticeable weight. Committed to sustainability, LifeArt Vision uses eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Upgrade your Ray-Ban Meta with these mirrored lenses for a blend of fashion, function, and flair that lasts all year. Number 3. HiBlocks Magnetic Charging Station. Simplify your charging routine with the HiBlocks Magnetic Charging Station, an indispensable accessory for Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses enthusiasts in 2025. This sleek station employs powerful neodymium magnets for a secure, snap-on connection that aligns perfectly with your glasses' charging port, eliminating fumbling with cables in low light. Supporting wireless charging up to 15W, it fully juices up your device in just 45 minutes, with LED indicators showing charge levels and a compact design that fits on any desk or nightstand. Multifunctional, it includes ports for other devices like phones or earbuds, turning it into a universal hub. The anti-slip base and adjustable angle allow for hands-free viewing while charging, great for video calls or media playback through your Meta glasses. Made from durable aluminum with a matte finish, it's resistant to fingerprints and scratches, ensuring longevity. Safety is paramount with built-in thermal regulation to prevent overheating and surge protection. Customizable via app for scheduled charging or low battery alerts, it integrates seamlessly with the Ray-Ban Meta ecosystem. Portable enough for travel with a foldable design, it's a game-changer for maintaining connectivity on the move. Eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient operation make it a smart, sustainable choice. Dock your glasses effortlessly and keep them powered for uninterrupted smart experiences. Number 2. Two-seater charging stand and cable. Experience hassle-free charging like never before with the two-seater charging stand and cable, a top-tier accessory optimized for Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses in 2025. This all-in-one solution combines a sturdy stand with a high-quality braided cable, offering 18W fast charging that revives your glasses from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. The ergonomic stand cradles your eyewear at a 45-degree angle for easy access and stable placement, preventing tip-overs and cable tangles. Constructed from premium ABS plastic and nylon braided cable, it's built to endure daily use with over 10,000 bend tests passed. Versatile compatibility extends to other USB-C devices, making it a versatile addition to your setup. Soft LED lighting illuminates the charging status without disturbing your environment, and the non-slip feet ensure stability on any surface. Perfect for home offices, bedrooms, or travel bags, it promotes organized cable management. With overcurrent and overvoltage protection, safety is assured, and the 6-foot cable length provides ample reach. Users appreciate the minimalist design that complements modern aesthetics. Easy setup requires no additional tools, just plug and place. Embrace efficient, reliable charging that keeps your Ray-Ban Meta ready for action, whether capturing live moments or enjoying audio features. A must-have for tech-savvy users seeking convenience and durability. Number 1. RC Style. Accessory Kit. Crown your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses with the ultimate RC Style accessory kit, our number 1 pick for 2025 that bundles everything you need for peak performance and personalization. This comprehensive kit includes a protective hard case, microfiber cleaning cloth, extra nose pads in multiple sizes, temple tip covers for comfort, and a universal adapter for global charging. Each component is meticulously designed with premium materials like genuine leather accents and hypoallergenic silicone, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting use. The case features a shock-absorbent interior and water-resistant exterior to safeguard against drops and spills, while the cleaning cloth effectively removes smudges without scratching lenses. Adjustable nose pads prevent slippage during activities, and the temple covers add grip and style options in various colors. The adapter supports international voltages, ideal for jet setters. All items are easy to use and maintain the integrity of your Meta glasses' smart features. Valued for its value-packed nature, this kit saves money compared to buying separately and comes with a lifetime warranty. Eco-conscious packaging and materials highlight sustainability. Whether you're new to smart glasses or a seasoned user, this kit enhances protection, comfort, and convenience daily. Don't miss out. Equip your Ray-Ban Meta with the best and unlock its full potential effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite accessory below. For more tech reviews, hit the bell icon.